I made a mistake. I bought into the hype, pulled the trigger on an ultra-wide monitor that every YouTuber was raving about, and after 2 weeks I felt nothing but regret. The curve was wrong, the text was blurry, it was a productivity nightmare, so I sent it back and I went on a mission. I tested the 7 most popular ultra-wide monitors of 2025 side by side, for gaming, for work, for everything, and what I found will save you from that same costly mistake. In this video we're not just counting down the 5 best, we're exposing the one I should have bought from the start. Starting at number 1. HP E45C G5 DQHD Curved Monitor. The HP E45C G5 DQHD Curved Monitor, a 45-inch ultra-wide productivity monitor, renders a bright image with full sRGB color coverage. The E45C is a good replacement for a dual QHD monitor setup thanks to its virtual features that emulate twin displays. The E45C also has good ergonomics for an ultra-wide monitor. Its range of connection choices includes Ethernet, dual USB-C ports that provide up to 100 watts of power delivery, for USB-A downstream ports, DisplayPort, and HDMI. Managers and key workers, the HP E45C G5 is a good choice if your workday involves monitoring multiple data streams or working on several projects at once. It's as wide as 2 side-by-side 24-inch QHD, 560 by 1 for 40-pixel monitors. You can set it to emulate dual displays and or tile windows to your heart's delight with the help of the downloadable HP Display Center utility. It also has good ergonomics for such a wide panel, and a prodigious range of connection choices. Home office workers and sole proprietors, the HP E45C G5 is a great fit, literally and figuratively, for a home office, micro-office, or elsewhere where space is at a premium, as it is more compact than its 49-inch and larger brethren, and more wieldy than a dual monitor setup. Its bright screen has full sRGB color coverage, and it has an enviable collection of ports. Number 2. LG 45 Ultragear OLED Curved Gaming Monito. With a huge and dazzling OLED screen with extreme 800 or curvature, the LG 45G x950A-B Ultragear provides a magnificent gaming experience that is particularly good for simulations or racing games. The LG 45G x950A-B impresses us with its high resolution and multiple refresh rate options. It doesn't come cheap, but it's money well spent. Deep-pocketed gamers, the LG 45 Ultragear OLED 45G x950A-B is a great choice for gamers with cash to spare who are looking for a large ultra-wide panel to pair with a powerful GPU. Racing game fans, it is best for fans of simulations and racing games, since its huge high-res screen has a wicked tight curvature, providing an immersive experience par excellence. Gamers who have a GPU with DisplayPort 2.1, its DisplayPort 2.1 connector can handle more than double the bandwidth of DisplayPort 1.4, so you can maintain higher resolutions and refresh rates without the compression that erodes color accuracy. Number 3. Samsung Odyssey OLED G9. The slim, feature-rich Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 is a feast for the eyes and the 32:9 aspect ratio curved monitor to beat for immersive PC gaming. Its slim, sleek frame, paired with a gorgeous OLED panel, means that this 49-inch curved monitor is sure to impress even the staunchest of ultra-wide naysayers. The OLED G9 has exceptional color accuracy and color gamut coverage for a gaming monitor, not to mention the magnificent contrast that VE come to expect from an OLED screen. It is also a smart monitor, which means it has access to Samsung's online gaming hub, as well as other media features you might see on Samsung TVs, including plenty of streaming apps. If money's not an object and you need to go big and broad, then the Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 is the monitor to beat. Super ultra-wide aficionados, Samsung's OLED G9 features a magnificent 49-inch super ultra-wide display, with a 32:9 aspect ratio, as wide as 2 widescreen panels placed side by side, ideal for fans of racing games, flight sims, and other games that take advantage of such a screen's full width. The screen's gentle, 1800R, curvature helps provide for an immersive user experience. People who can splurge, the OLED G9's price puts it out of the reach of many, but those who can afford it get an audacious showpiece, with its beautiful OLED screen with incredible wingspan and excellent color reproduction and accuracy. People looking to replace a TV, As a smart monitor, the OLED G9 gives you access to Samsung's online gaming hub and other media features you might see on Samsung TVs. Its gaming hub features include access to popular streaming apps like Xbox Game Pass and NVIDIA GeForce Now, while the media hub is packed with video streaming apps. Number 4. Philips Brilliance 499p9H. With 49 inches of screen real estate, the Philips Brilliance 499p9H is a delight for multitaskers. Its curved ultrawide screen with 5K native resolution lets you work with photos and intricate diagrams or view 2 or 3 program windows side by side. It's bright, it supports HDR, and it has good color coverage. Like others in its class, the 499p9H is on the pricey side, but it's a highly capable display that's easy to recommend for any office seeking a multitasking monster and a good user experience. Teleconferencers. At the top of the 499p9H is a webcam that pops up when you press it and tucks securely back into the monitor when you are not using it, for the assurance of privacy. It's equipped with sensors for Windows Hello facial recognition, enabling easy logins to Windows devices. The screen is wide enough that you can have, say, a video conference in the central area, and feeds or applications running in Windows to the sides. Multitaskers. With 49 inches of screen real estate, the Philips Brilliance 499p9H is a delight for multitaskers. Its 5K native horizontal resolution lets you work with photos, diagrams, and wide spreadsheets, or 2 or 3 windows side by side. It's bright, it supports HDR, and it has good color coverage. Number 5. HP Series 7 Pro 34-inch WQHD conferencing. The HP Series 7 Pro 734PM has superb video conferencing cred, between its super sharp 5-megapixel HDR webcam, noise-canceling mics, and quad speaker system. It houses a magnificent 34-inch ultra-wide screen with excellent image quality, and HP augmented that with a wealth of ports, Thunderbolt 4, Ethernet, a USB hub, and other features. It doesn't come cheap, but it is money well spent. Managers and executives. This ultra-wide powerhouse is an excellent choice for senior employees whose schedules are loaded with conference calls. This display is also loaded with connectivity choices, all of which make it a winner as a panel for constant online collaboration. Avid teleconferencers. If much of your work is conducted via video conferences, you may want to boost your video and audio setup beyond what mere laptops can provide. The 734PM integrates a high-res webcam, noise-canceling microphones, and a loud yet clear system so you can be seen and heard in your best light and catch faint comments from other participants. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to navigating the ultra-wide market without the regret. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a productivity powerhouse, or a creative pro, one of these screens is your endgame, ready to upgrade your view. All the direct links to check out every monitor we talked about with the latest prices are waiting for you in the description below. If this deep dive saved you time, money, and frustration, please like the video. It tells YouTube you want more content like this. Share it with your friends who are thinking about making the jump, and subscribe for the real no BS tech reviews you won't get anywhere else. Thanks for watching.